Good morning. The Save Cobh Right Away group are out again this morning in force. We're here and we're welcoming another cruise liner. This is her second visit here, Ambition from Ambassador Cruises, this season. The reason we're here is because the public's right to use Deepwater Quay 5-foot way is under direct and deliberate threat. And when I say that, it arises from the fact that in November 2019, the Port of Cork Company initiated court proceedings in Cork Circuit Court. They're looking for a declaration from the courts to state that there is no right of way for the public on Deepwater Quay. That is the bold fact that's going on here. There is lots of rumour and other suggestions going on about our campaign and why we're doing this and whether we're trying to abolish the liners and so on. All of those questions are, number one, secondary, and number two, generally they're misrepresenting what we're doing. We have posters here welcoming the ships, welcoming the passengers, and why wouldn't we? Our issue is that the public right-of-way must be registered in the county development plans, and we have been requesting the local council here to do that, but for a year they won't even meet us. The 6 elected members of Cobh Municipal District Council have ignored us. I think they're afraid of the Port of Cork Company, they're afraid of challenging the corporate interests, and the consequence here is very high stakes. The consequence is that if the Port of Cork gets their way and gets a declaration that there is no right of way, then effectively that means they have privatised Deepwater Quay. That is not something that we want to happen. That is why I am a candidate now in the local elections on June 7th, and one of the primary reasons I'm standing is I've been asked to stand by the campaign group. I've been asked to stand with the promise of defending this quay in the proper place and arena where it should be defended, that is in the Chamber of Cork County Council. So I hope you will support that and not vote for any of the current councillors or any other candidate who does not support the proper registration of the public's right-of-way and the guaranteeing of that right-of-way on the quayside here. Sinné Uamsa Maidlin, Levor Dull, Tugigi Vor Voti, the Diarmaid Cadhla Ibrahim, Levor Dull, Steve.